Yeah, the wake last night. So I didn't know
Installing
if you knew.
LED lights now. See ya.
Yeah. I didn't know if you knew about it. So I said,
I'm
let
about to
me send you a
install,
picture.
make it blue right now. And same with the ones down here. And then the one down here. So I'm installing these right now. Got them iJDMToy. Shout out to you guys, man. Open. So I'm gonna just take out this one. It's the original. Does this come off too? No. That should be good. I think. And then we just snap this back. Easy install, you feel me? And yeah, that shows that's the blue. I'm about to do this side. And you can easily just use a key thing with your car and just open it up. I have an Infiniti G37, so it's a little bit difficult, but like it's still possible. I want it to be on though. Okay. Subscribe to the channel, man. You put the second one in just like that. Just snap it right in. You can really see the heck. Yo, Infiniti doors, bro. Y'all just be closing on its own, eh? No window, nothing, man. Y'all just be putting it in. There we go. And then snap back the cover. There you go. I got it. So there. And then you'll have it where it opens up as you open the door. Easy install, man. Now subscribe to JWhipsMods. Follow me. Same thing on Instagram at JWhipsMods. Have a good day. Stay blessed.